Bedbugs are highly vulnerable to heat. Exposing them to a certain level of heat will kill them instantly. This is why heat treatments are recommended to kill bedbugs. Such methods, such as steamers and portable heaters, have been proven effective through professional use and are quickly becoming standard issue in holistic treatment for bedbugs. There are some less proven heat weapons, such as a hairdryer. A hairdryer might seem like a good way to kill bedbugs with heat. The maximum temperature of a hairdryer is rarely more than 150 degrees. That heat will kill bedbugs, but only if you maintain the heat on them for several minutes. The problem with this method is you would have to follow each bedbug you see around with a hairdryer until they eventually die. This method would also penetrate into furnishings, cracks, and crevices if used carefully to kill bedbugs. But the chances of killing all of them doing it this way is not very likely. Another home remedy is a clothes iron. This would also reach the temperature required to kill bedbugs. This method would kill bugs in thin sheets and other thin textile products where they might live. However, it won't penetrate deep into thicker soft materials to where bedbugs might be hiding. You also can't iron areas like cracks and crevices in walls, floors, and furniture. The metal surface and high surface heat would damage many of the materials it wasn't designed to be used on. Just to be clear, you can kill bedbugs with heat. It's just a matter of using the right equipment. A high-pressure steamer is the weapon of choice for killing bedbugs on contact since their steam can surpass 200 degrees and can penetrate deep into soft materials like mattresses and upholstered furniture. You can also use a steamer on more than just clothes or other fabrics. A steamer can kill bedbugs hiding along baseboards, floorboards, windowsills, door frames, and the edges of the carpet. If you need to treat items that can't be laundered or steamed, you can use a portable bedbug heater, like a Zap Bug oven or a Thermal Strike Ranger. If you click here or in the description below, it'll show you these two products with reviews. These heaters can safely treat household items like books, papers, CDs, and dry clean only clothing. Not only are the bedbug heaters an effective part of a bedbug treatment process, but they're one of the most popular prevention tools on the market. When you come home from a trip, just put your suitcase in the heater, zip it shut, and turn it on. In just a few hours, any bed bugs or eggs hiding in your belongings will be dead. A lot of DIY bedbug recommendations involving household items stem from the desire to solve your bedbug problem without spending money or resorting to chemicals. Unfortunately, these recommendations don't always pan out. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 7 effective home remedies for bedbugs. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.